Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today, I'm going to talk about songs from movies where the lead is a twin. So it could either be male or female. So, to begin with, I'm talking about Ram Aur Shyam. This movie is my, I cannot say all time favorite. I just love this movie. Dilip Kumar, Wahida Rahman, Mumtaz are the main leads. Dilip Saab is brilliant in the movie as the very timid, cowed down, frightened Ram and as the bold, rather dashing, vivacious Shyam. Of course, he's ably supported by the leading ladies, and Pran Saab is the usual incredibly terrifying villain. This movie inspired a slew of other twin movies like Sita Aur Geeta, Jaise Ko Taisa, what do I want to say? Chalbaz with Shri Devi. All of these movies were inspired from Ram Aur Shyam. Actually, Ram Aur Shyam was the remake of a Telugu movie called Ramudu Bhimudu. Then there was a Tamil remake as well called Enga Veettu Pillai. So, coming to the music, Naushad Saab, Shakil Saab. The usual, Dilip Kumar, Mohammad Rafi, Naushad Saab, Shakil Saab. This was the popular kind of quartet, right? Music is fabulous. And this song that I would like to play for you today is a solo, Rafi Saab solo. It starts off with a couplet and it is so charming. He's saying goodbye to his lady love, sitting at the piano, and he plays the piano oh so well. He doesn't sort of clump at it like a lot of the other heroes did. Such a beautiful song. From Ram Aur Shyam, Aaj ki raat mere dil ki salami le le.
आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले ले, कल तेरी बज़्म से दीवाना चला जाएगा, शम्मा रह जाएगी परवाना चला जाएगा, आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले ले। तेरे जलवे हो मुबारक तुझको, तेरी उल्फत से नहीं आज भी इनकार मुझे, तेरा मैं खाना सलामत रहे ऐ जान वफा, मुस्कुरा कर तू जरा देख ले एक बार मुझे, फिर तेरे प्यार का मस्ताना चला जाएगा, कल तेरी बज़्म से दीवाना चला जाएगा, शम्मा रह जाएगी परवाना चला जाएगा, आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले।
Kannada movies also had twin movies. Shankar Guru. This was an incredible hit. It's a greatly entertaining movie. It starred the great Dr. Rajkumar himself in not one, not two, but in 3 roles. He played the father and the twin sons. The music for the movie was by Upendra Kumar, and the lyrics were written by Sri Uday Shankar. Incredible movie. It was so entertaining. There was never a dull moment. The songs were great too. This song that I would like to play for you today is where the twins are singing about how their different individual personality traits combined together make them such a formidable force that no enemy can withstand them. The song has been sung by Dr. Rajkumar and P.B. Srinivas from Shankar Guru, Na Benki Ante.
ಬಂದಂತೆ ನೀನು ಬಂದಾಗ ನನಗಾಯ್ತು ಮಿಂಚು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಜಾರಿ ಬಂದಂತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡಾಗ ನನಗಾಯ್ತು ಒಂದೇ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ತಂದ ಜೋಡಿ ಹೂವು ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ತಂದ ಜೋಡಿ ಹೂವು ನಾವು ಬೆಂಕಿಯಂತೆ ನಾ ಗಾಳಿಯಂತೆ ಈ ಜೋಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ವೈರಿ ಉಳಿಯುವನೆ.
I'll take you back all the way to 1968. This was a Bimalda production, not a Bimalda direction. It was called Do Duni Char. Comedy movie based on Shakespeare's Comedy of Errors. Actually, it was based on Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar's Bhranti Vilas, which was based on Shakespeare's Comedy of Errors. So, story of two sets of twins, the masters and the servants. And, amazing confusion and all of that. Gulzar Saab actually wrote the story and the lyrics for the movie. He was very unhappy with the way the movie turned out because it was not directed by Bimalda. And Gulzar Saab was still kind of a junior person in the whole Bimalda crew. So he couldn't quite force his ideas on the director. And Bimalda at that point was on his deathbed. So Gulzar Saab could not get him involved in all of this. The movie was a flop. It starred Kishore Kumar, Tanuja and Surekha in it. And there's only one song in the movie, which is absolutely exquisite. It's a Kishore Kumar solo. Beautiful, beautiful song. Gulzar Saab, however, got a chance to remake this movie in the style that he wanted. He directed it himself, Angur, much, much later, which is a super hit. I think a lot of you may have seen it. So I want to play this one song. Hemant Das music, of course, Gulzar Saab's lyrics, Kishore Kumar's solo from Do Duni Char, Hawaon pe likh do hawaon ke naam.
हवाओं पे लिख दो हवाओं के नाम हवाओं पे लिख दो हवाओं के नाम हम अनजान परदेसियों का सलाम हवाओं पे लिख दो हवाओं के नाम ये किसके लिए है बता किसके नाम ये किसके लिए है बता किसके नाम ओ पंछी तेरा ये सुरीला सलाम हवाओं पे लिख दो हवाओं के नाम शाख पर जब धूप आई हाथ छूने के लिए छाँव छम से नीचे कूदी हंस के बोली आइए यहाँ सुबह से खेला करती है शाम हवाओं पे लिख दो हवाओं के नाम.
We go now to the Tamil movies. Kalyana Raman. This was a Kamal Hassan, Sridevi starrer. Incredible movie, very well made. It was actually based on an old Tamil movie called Idu Nijama. Story of twins who are separated because the parents separate. One of them is mentally challenged. He gets murdered for his wealth, and his ghost helps the other twin take revenge on the murderers. Kamal, of course, what can I say? The man is a genius in acting, and Sridevi is phenomenal as well. So the movie was extremely entertaining. It was a big hit. The music was by Ilayaraja. And Panchu Arunachalam wrote the lyrics. This song was sung by Malaysia Vasudevan. So from Kalyana Raman, காதல் தீபம் ஒன்று.
காதல் தீபம் ஒன்று நெஞ்சிலே ஏற்றி வைத்தேன். காதல் தீபம் ஒன்று நெஞ்சிலே ஏற்றி வைத்தேன். வாழ்வில் வசந்தம் தேடி வரும், ஓடி வரும், தென்றல் வரும், பூங்கொடிகள் ஆடி வரும். காதல் தீபம் ஒன்று நெஞ்சிலே ஏற்றி வைத்தேன். காதல் தீபம் ஒன்று நெஞ்சிலே ஏற்றி வைத்தேன். கவிதையை போலுந்தன் நடையிலே, பச்சை கிளியனை போலுந்தன் குரலிலே. கவிதையை போலுந்தன் நடையிலே, பச்சை கிளியனை போலுந்தன் குரலிலே. எண்ணங்கள் மயங்க மயங்க மயங்க, இன்பங்கள் வளர வளர வளர, காதல் வந்ததம்மா ஜோடி நீ சின்ன ராணி. காதல் தீபம் ஒன்று நெஞ்சிலே ஏற்றி வைத்தேன். காதல் தீபம் ஒன்று நெஞ்சிலே ஏற்றி வைத்தேன்.
We go back to the Bollywood industry now. Evening in Paris. Sharmila Tagore, Shami Kapoor in the lead. Sharmila ji plays the twins. One good twin and the other one kidnapped as a child and forced to becoming a villain's mall is the bad twin. So she's a cabaret dancer and all of that. Sharmila ji is phenomenal in this movie. She is completely unself-conscious as the bad twin. And she has these two incredible cabaret numbers where, you know, she is dressed in like sort of a Folie Bergère kind of outfit and stuff. And she is so comfortable in it. Incredible. I tell you, that lady is something else. She still manages to be very dignified through her whole act. But wow, for someone so young to be so poised. Music, of course, Shankar Jaikishan, Shailendra Ji, Hasrat Jaipuri. I'm actually not playing the more popular, I think, cabaret sung by Asha Ji, Zubi Zubi Zulevu, but I'm playing the lesser heard cabaret written by Shailendra Ji, sung by Sharda. The song, I mean, her voice is not as wonderful as Asha Ji's, but the tune is very interesting and it's a more unusual kind of a cabaret song, I think. So from Evening in Paris, Le Ja Mera Dil.
ले जा मेरा दिल, तेरी दुनिया तेरी महफिल, कब से सनम बैठे थे हम लेके धड़कता दिल. ले जा मेरा दिल, तेरी दुनिया तेरी महफिल, कब से सनम बैठे थे हम लेके धड़कता दिल. दूर वहाँ बैठे हो क्यों, आके मिलो, कुछ तो कहो. कह दो कि अब मेरे हो तुम, साथ चलो, संग रहो. बेनिजी मोशरे, बेनिजी मोशरे, बेनिजी मोशरे, बेनिजी. ले जा मेरा दिल, तेरी दुनिया तेरी महफिल, कब से सनम बैठे थे हम लेके धड़कता दिल.
I have to go back now to Sita Aur Geeta. Iconic twin movie, I mean, come on. Hema Malini is just outstanding in it. Dharmendra and Sanjeev Kumar very ably supporting her. I enjoyed this movie. Manorama is so phenomenal as his villainous aunt. Oh, I love her. And the music, R.D. Burman, Anand Bakshi. Excellent songs. Every single song is beautiful. So I'm sharing a duet, Kishore Kumar Lataji duet. It's a very sweet, kind of silly song sung on the beach. They're both on horses and all that. From Sita और गीता, कोई लड़की मुझे कल रात सपने में मिली.
कोई लड़की मुझे कल रात सपने में मिली, बड़ी प्यारी सी सूरत थी, भला सा नाम था, ला 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 ला.
कोई लड़का मुझे कल रात सपने में मिला, बड़ी प्यारी सी सूरत थी, भला सा नाम था, ला 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 ला. देख लेती मैं जो उस बैरन सा धन को, जान ले लेती मैं कसम से.
देख लेता मैं जो उस तेरे साजन को, जान दे देता मैं शर्म से.
ओ फिर क्यों रूठे
तुम जो रूठी ला ला ला, अरे तुम ही मुझे कल रात सपने में मिली.
अरे तुम ही मुझे कल.
We come now to Ai Milan Ki Bela. This actually had fraternal twins in it and not identical. So you have Rajendra Kumar and Dharmendra playing the twins, and Saira Banu is the bone of contention, shall we say, between the two of them. They, of course, do not know they're twins. It's only their mother and the woman who adopted the other child who know that these two are twins. Dharmendra is negative for like 0.05% of it when he's all jealous and everything, but otherwise it's all hunky-dory. Music, Shankar Jaikishan with Shailendraji Hasrat Jaipuri's lyrics. So this particular song, actually all the songs in the movie are beautiful. There are some exquisite solos, exquisite duets. This particular one is a very, very sweet love song. Lata ji and Rafi Saab. From Ai Milan Ki Bela, you have O Sanam Tere Ho Gaye Hum.
ओ सनम तेरे हो गए हम, प्यार में तेरे खो गए हम, जिंदगी खोए हमदम, आ गया मुस्कुराना.
ओ सनम तेरे हो गए हम, प्यार में तेरे खो गए हम, मिल गया मुझको ऐ सनम, जिंदगी का बहाना.
दो भटकते राही आ मिले मंजिल पर,
दो दिलों की कश्ती आ लगी साहिल पर,
मुस्कुराते जाए एक संग दो मुकद्दर. ओ सनम तेरे हो गए हम, प्यार में तेरे खो गए हम, जिंदगी खोए हमदम, आ गया मुस्कुराना.
ओ सनम तेरे हो गए हम, प्यार में तेरे खो गए हम, मिल गया मुझको ऐ सनम, जिंदगी का बहाना. रात चुप सुनती है ये हंसी अफसाना,
देखते हैं तारे बस गया वीराना.
चांद को शर्मा दे आपके का शर्माना। ओ सनम तेरे हो गए हम, प्यार में तेरे खो गए हम, मिल गया मुझको ए सनम जिंदगी का बहाना।
ओ सनम तेरे हो गए हम, प्यार में तेरे खो गए हम, जिंदगी को ऐ हमदम आ गया मुस्कुराना।
Finally, the last song for today is from a movie called Gora Aur Kala. This was sort of towards the tail end of Rajendra Kumar's career. I think he was sort of trying to prop it up a bit, but it didn't quite work. He has chosen Hema Malini as his lead heroine in this movie. She is so young, and it just emphasizes the age difference between the two. It didn't come together very well. The story actually was a remake of a Tamil movie called Neerum Nerappum, which was based sort of kinda on the Corsican Brothers by Alexandre Dumas. A movie about stories about these conjoined twins who are physically separated after birth, and then they are also raised separately. And one of the twins has some kind of a blood condition that apparently causes his skin to become dark. The makeup, is just not okay. It just didn't suit the whole movie. It was bad. But the music was by Lakshmikant Pyarelal with Anand Bakshi writing the lyrics, and they had some, pretty nice songs in the movie. So I'm sharing a Rafi Saab solo with you guys today. It's a very sweet love song. So from Gora Aur Kala, एक ना एक दिन ये कहानी बनेगी.
तू मेरे सपनों की रानी बनेगी, एक ना एक दिन ये कहानी बनेगी, तू मेरे सपनों की रानी बनेगी। मैं तेरा दीवाना बनूंगा, रानी तू मेरी दीवानी बनेगी, एक ना एक दिन ये कहानी बनेगी, तू मेरे सपनों की रानी बनेगी। एक ना एक दिन ये कहानी बनेगी, तू मेरे सपनों की रानी बनेगी।
That's it for today, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this thing and have brought to mind a bunch of other twin movies as well. I'll be back with another episode on this theme. I mean, come on. We're talking about Indian movies here. How many twin stories? Separated at birth, not separated, whatever, right? So, and fake twin stuff like Golmaal as well. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.